Good morning, class. Today we are going to start exercise 6.2, and first topic is distance between 2 points. Let P and Q are 2 points. P is x1, y1 and Q is x2, y2, and we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Two points on this coordinate plane, and we have to find the distance between P and Q. Since the coordinate of point P is x1, y1, means this point is at a distance of x1 unit from y-axis and at a distance of y1 unit from x-axis. Then if we draw a perpendicular from point P to x-axis, it is PM, and a perpendicular draw from Q point on x-axis is this. Draw PM perpendicular OM and QN perpendicular, sorry, OM OX लिखते रहे, OX. Then this distance means distance of point P from y-axis is x1 and PM distance is y1. Similarly, ON distance is x2 and QN distance is y2. OM equal x1, PM equal y1, ON equal x2, QN equal y2. Also draw P R perpendicular to QN. PR perpendicular to QN. Then this distance is y2 and it is y1, means RN y1. Then QR is y2 minus y1. Since PM equal RN, both are y1. Then QR distance between QR is obtained by QN minus RN, means QN minus RN. QN is y2 and RN is y1. Similarly, PR is equal to MN, and MN is equal to ON minus OM. ON is x2, OM is x1, means PR is x2 minus x1. Now if we join PQ, then it is right angle triangle and we have to find the value of PQ. Then in right angle triangle PQ, PQ R. We have square of hypotenuse PR square QR square, sum of the square of other two sides. Then PQ square PR is equal x2 minus x1 whole square, QR is equal y2 minus y1 whole square. Then PQ equal, so it is PQ square square root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and it is the distance between 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Now classification of geometrical figure for a square. We have in a square diagonals are equal, are equal, and each sides are equal. All sides are equal. For an equilateral triangle, all three sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. For an isosceles triangle, any two sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. For a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. For a parallelogram, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. For rhombus, all sides are equal, but the diagonals are unequal. For rectangle, opposite sides are equal, and diagonals are also equal.